Hello guys, come with us. We will be window shopping in Cairns. Here's my niece. She's our driver for today. I'm happy to be the passenger princess. First, let's have breakfast at Earl's Eatery here in Lake Street. This is my first time trying the Matcha cloud. Nam nam. So I'm at Earl's here, Lake Street. They just opened. Earl's Eatery is just across JCU. Bathroom shop in Cairns. Highgrove Bathrooms. JB Hi-Fi. Coast Roast Cafe, Cairns Central. Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm showing you what we replaced in this bathroom. We replaced the shower head. So from this one, so what do you call it? Shower head or shower roll? So it must be the same thing. To this. Okay, I'll show you properly. A lot less water to use compared to the old one. Oh, sorry about the water stains. It's just the way it is. Supposed to be, it's an old style look. But then, yes, if you have teenager in the house that always have long showers, that's why we are replacing it to this smaller shower head. Minimal water will be used in this shower. Oh dear. All right, this one's out, that one's in. Say shout out to my niece Giselle. Thank you so much for spending your day off with us while we have the car service in Cairns. Thank you so much. What did you say? Konnichiwa.
Isn't that a good thing? Hello.
What's konnichiwa? Konnichiwa is okay.
Hover around. That'd be good.
Yum, yum.
Take it on.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next one. Bye.